Hi guys, so today we are cooking up a flavorful and aromatic dish that's a real treat. Green masala beef mince curry. This isn't your average mince curry. We are using a fresh fragrant green masala made with coriander, green chilies, tamarind and aromatic spices to create a dish that's both healthy and incredibly delicious. Get ready for a burst of fresh, vibrant flavors. I'll guide you through every step from making the fresh green masala to cooking the mince to tender perfection. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a mixer jar. Add 1 cup coriander leaves. Three green chilies. 1 inch ginger roughly cut. 5 garlic cloves. 1 centimeter round tamarind. Half teaspoon black peppercorns, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup water, add more if required, then blend it to a smooth paste. So the green masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then take 500 grams minced beef, add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar and give it a nice mix. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 3 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves and then fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onions chopped and fry the onion until nice and soft. Then add 1 cup green peas and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the minced beef and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes until the beef has changed its color. Then add the green masala paste. Add 1 stock cube and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and fry it for a minute. Then add 2 cups water, add some salt to taste, add half tablespoon sugar and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. As you can see, the oil is nicely separated on top. Then give it a nice mix. Then cook it until the curry is nice and thick. So the green masala beef mince curry is ready. And there you have it guys, a flavorful and aromatic green masala beef mince curry. I hope you enjoyed making this fresh and delicious dish with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your curry turned out. Please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tasty and easy recipes. It's a healthy, flavorful meal that's perfect for any occasion. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this vibrant dish with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.